Hey, everybody. It is May 1st. I can't believe it, and the weather is finally warming up. No, that's not a homeless tent back there, but almost looks like one. Um, the weather is finally warming up, and sorry, I completely got distracted with this homeless tent thing. I, uh, I, it's actually a trampoline, but I actually just filmed a video where I needed a homeless tent, and I didn't use that, and I'm realizing now that would have been a better one. But anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. I am growing down the top again. I do need to give a haircut on the sides and back. I have been a little messed up this week because my family, at least my daughter and wife, went to Dubai for a couple of weeks, and they're all jet lagged. And dealing with a kid with jet lag is it's no joke, actually. It becomes a huge strain on your schedule a bit because they're up all night. Uh, Somebody has to watch them overnight, and having another child, and you can't do work because the other parent is sleeping in the day, and it makes a bit of a challenge. If you've had issues with this, I'd like to hear your comments. It's something you don't really think about when becoming a parent. Like, hey, I won't have to deal with jet lag, and this may be something that becomes a little challenge to fix because as an adult, we know we have jet lag. We know, okay, we got to be up in the day. But a kid, they're like, well, I'm going to sleep when I want to, I'll be up when I want to. But they generally tend to fix it themselves. It's just we're trying to get back into the routine as soon as possible. And it's been pretty good. Although everybody is sleeping right now and it's like 2:30 p.m. But still not bad. Anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. And leave any questions, comments, concerns about what you think about it. It's gotten really gray, which is crazy. As I grow it out more, I'm like, wow, it's like I have all gray hair now. Like even my beard is insane how quickly it got all gray so quickly. If you look at my videos just from like 4 years ago, it was so much darker. It's insane. And I am turning 40 this year. So all of you people who have comments saying you look like you're in your 40s, I'm finally turning 40. You can finally write that. Although now you guys are probably going to say you look like you're in your 50s. One day I'm going to catch up with my looks, I swear. Anyways, uh, leave a comment, question, subscribe, check out my more of my videos, and talk to you guys later.